Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon shop, and behind me we just got done doing a small dent in this 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. This was actually an Allstate Dent Warranty repair. This was an insurance that the customer bought at the dealership in order to take care of small dents like this using Paintless Dent Repair. This dent was going right through the body line, and in order for us to repair this dent, we were able to roll the window down, use our window shield, door wedge, and remove this dent using Paintless Dent Repair. It came out fantastic. And of course, if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.